So hello guys, Sky here again and welcome to Blockchain Today. And today we are going to review a project that was created to offer security and safety of your funds in the digital world. So Hacken AI is going to protect your personal data and will make sure that you will never ever care about hackers anymore. So let's see how it works and how you can get most of your advantages from it. So as you guys know, data is very important nowadays because everything we are doing online stays online. Even by creating a Facebook profile, you are giving companies a huge opportunity to know everything about you. You may just not care, but such companies as Facebook or Google are earning millions of dollars on selling your data. However, nothing in this world is perfect, and even such huge companies have issues with data that can simply be stolen by hackers. It can harm regular people when hackers are stealing your personal information, including your bank details or password for wallets. There is there is when cybersecurity comes in becomes very important. Cybersecurity should save you from losing your personal precious data. Here is the moment when Hacker AI comes in. Hacken AI was created back in 2017 from cybersecurity experts with over 50 years of experience. The goal of the team is to offer more security and protection for their customers that they would never experience any trouble with security of their data. Let's talk about their products. Hacken AI plans to release 10 products that would assist you in the digital world. 4 of those products are already live, so we will talk about them first. So their first product is Cyber Boot Camp. Hacken AI is going to teach their users how to stay safe in modern environment and how to care about your data. Cyber Boot Camp is a digital learning platform that will consist 6 modules. There, as you can see, account management, anti-phishing, privacy, data protection, general security principle, digital assess security essentials. After completing all those modules, user will learn how to prevent the loss of important data and how you can increase your security in the digital era. Okay, so their second product is darknet monitoring. This one is I personally like because this is a revolutionary feature which will allow you to track if your identity information was found in dark web. So in other words, if a hacker steals your information and will try to sell it on the black market, you will be get notified as soon as possible to prevent even more difficult consequences. And if this comes true and your account is hacked, Hacken AI is providing all the necessary information about how to resolve the situation fast and confident. And Hacken AI team has published a big article explaining all the advantages of darknet monitoring. So we will leave you all the informative articles in the description so you can go through them more detailed. Their third product is Password Manager. Password Manager was created for the people that have accounts on a lot of websites with a very important data, including your working email, online banking, payment systems like PayPal, and much more. So it would be become horrible if somebody would get access to them and you will just forget them all completely. So with Password Manager, you would not need to worry about that. This system stores all your password in a very secured storage provided by Hacken AI. This storage is resistant against DDoS, cyber or hacking attacks, so you can be sure that your passwords are stored in a safe place. Next product is Hacken AI Digital Wallet. For all the crypto lovers, Hacken AI will give an opportunity to store your digital assets in a safe place, and they have already successfully performed their closed beta testing, and right now open beta is live. So everyone who would love to test their functionalities can take part. All details could be found in this article. You know where to find it afterwards. Furthermore, Hacken AI is actively developing 6 more exciting products that are going to available at a very later date. Among of those products are, you can see there, multi-factor authentication, secure storage, VPN, antivirus, anti-phishing, and website blocker, scoring system for installed apps, and much more. Let's talk about their partners and tokens. Hacken AI is a cryptocurrency project that is backed by Hacken.io, a leading provider of digital security solutions for various companies. As you may see, this project is backed by experienced professionals, and it is not going to be their first try in making digital world more secure. The next partner is Cream. Cream is a solid investment company that is responsible for funding blockchains and cryptocurrency related projects from all over the world. Among Hacken AI partners is VeChain blockchain. Hacken AI is based on VeChain blockchain, and as it is stated in their white paper, the main reasons are security, well-designed technology, and the common idea of making crypto world a safer place. Speaking about blockchain, Hacken AI ecosystem is based on VET blockchain, and the native ecosystem token is called HAI, HAI. The total supply of HAI token is 1 billion, and it is going to be used in all products that are provided by Hacken AI. For example, users are going to be rewarded with HAI tokens for completing Cyber Boot Camp Academy courses. Okay, moreover, Hacken AI is going to run several bug bounty programs, giving an opportunity to purchase their service and subscription fees with HAI tokens, and the last but not least, to reward their users for stacking HAI tokens. One more important aspect is that Hacken AI will offer their 6 months of free usage of their wallet if they would complete all the Cyber Bootcamp modules. Okay, I like this philosophy. They are not just giving away their free subscription but forcing people to learn about cybersecurity and reward them, and that is kind of cool. For using Hacken AI products, user will need to pay a subscription of $699 USD per month for regular subscription and $1399 USD for premium subversion. But if users would use stack HAI tokens, the subscription fee will be lower or completely free depending on the stack token amount. Okay, well, level 1 to 4. Furthermore, if you would take part in the stacking program before 31 of July 2020, the amount of token that needs to be stacked for all level is going to be reduced by 50%. So if you want to get advantages of level 2, you will need to lock 200 USD instead of 400 USD if you do it before 31st of July. Starting from August, the amount will needed for stacking will be double. Last thing that I wanted to mention is the recent IEO of Hacken AI that took place on Ocean Exchange. This part of fundraising was held for 1 day and concluded 2 days ago on the 14th April. Team members has provided a detailed report on fund collected. Here you can see on this page. As usually, you can read the full article on their social media, and here are some key details like the 7 million HAI tokens were sold during 3 IEO, plus around 5 million tokens were sold during previous and private sales round. Over 19 million VET tokens were collected, and the trading would start on the 27th of April. So the conclusion is, according to me, the crypto and blockchain industries are very prospective fields that are having a lack of trust by a lot of people due to a lot of cyber security issues. Hacken AI is here to solve those problems by teaching people how to protect themselves and offering ready to use solution that would help you to avoid troubles with hackers right here right now. So that was it for today, guys. So I want to say thank you so much for paying your attention, and I hope you found this video very informative, and if you really do, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.